This is stock number 16218, a 2007 Ford Edge. We're going to take a little tour of our dealership inside this really clean Edge. Tan leather interior, heated seats, memory driver's seat, 6-disc in-dash CD player, TV, DVD, second row bench seating. It's a real clean unit. You can see it has 24,879 miles. These Edges are awesome little cars. So we go down our alley here. We have Suburbans, SUVs, our north lot consists of light-duty trucks, some of our less expensive vehicles, along with our cars. Nice Mustang, Focus, Altima, some Pontiacs. On this side we got some of our Excursions, a couple Avalanches, our Toyota lineup, some Tundras, Tacomas, some newer Tundras. And then we start with our Super Duty Fords. This is our main lot. We have Fords to the right here. We have GM and Chevy Duramaxes on this side. All these vehicles can be seen at www.lenzauto.com. Full description and 27 photos of every vehicle on our lot. Here's our F-150s on this side. Our Dodge 2500s and half tons on this side. Down this way, some of our Chevy half-tons and more Dodge half-tons. That's pretty much our whole lot. There's our service shop. Sales office is up here. Pretty busy here, as it is every day.